The latest numbers from the Bureau of Labor Statistics are in, and you won't believe your eyes. The U.S. unemployment rate has surged to a staggering 3.7% in just 1 month. The statistic is unbelievable. A shocking 6.1 million people are now looking for work. Can you imagine that? However, the job market has had its own fireworks display, defying all expectations. In May alone, 339,000 non-farm payroll jobs were added. That's way more than the experts predicted. April's revised growth rate was already impressive, but May just took things to a whole new level. The Bureau of Labor Statistics had to update its numbers, revealing even more job creation. Oh, but the drama doesn't end there. Job openings from a measly 358,000 to an astonishing 10.1 million. It's like the floodgates burst open and opportunities are pouring in. There's even more good news. Layoffs took a nosedive, dropping by a whopping 264,000. So, what does all of this mean? The U.S. unemployment rate has hit a shocking high, but the job market is flexing its muscles with incredible growth and opportunities. It's a tale of resilience and hope in the face of adversity. What are your thoughts on this wild ride? Are you excited about the surge in job openings? Or are you concerned about the rising unemployment rate? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to smash that follow button for more updates. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.